Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to this part 3 I believe of this FTMO verification, traded live. So left off on part 2 at minus 1.4%. So apologies for part 2, it was like back and forward, pretty slow really, didn't really make much progress. But hopefully this part 3 is a lot different and is a bit more exciting and we get back into profit and start heading towards that 5k. So guys, it's Wednesday, 10 o'clock in the morning, 20th of October. Let's show this FTMO again. So yeah, sitting about minus 1.4% at the moment. So I've actually got a trade on, I put it on about 20 minutes ago before I got in the shower. So let's run over that a second. So it's Euro Yen guys, based off the monthly time frame. You can see we've got this third touch trend line, 0.1, 0.2 and at 0.3 now. So I didn't actually set a pending order on this. What I was waiting for is, obviously you got this wick up the top here and this here, which give me the zone. And I was waiting for an extra confluence really. Also got the zone and the third touch trend line on the monthly time frame. So I was either waiting for it to turn Wednesday or for Nikkei to line up. Obviously Nikkei correlated with the yen, and Wednesday you normally see a reversal or a pullback at least. So Monday, Tuesday being bullish, looking for a reversal on Wednesday. So using that as a confluence now. And if we just have a look at the Nikkei as well, you can see we're bouncing off the 61.8 from this move down. So using the Nikkei 61.8 and Wednesday as a confluence and the two confluences on the monthly time frame for this trade. So yeah, entry was about 133.010 I believe, so running about 4 pips drawdown so far. Obviously it went like 50 pips drawdown if I set a pending right on this trend line, so I probably would have got stopped out. So running a 60 pip stop loss on this, stop loss is 133.610. So you can see about here, just above this high, so if it does come back up to test this high or blow through it, then we'll get stopped out. But yeah, it's looking okay on the daily so far. Obviously we've had this initial spike up, but yeah, I'm looking for a pullback at least on this now for at least 50 pips or so. And then I can put my stop loss to break even and try and ride this down a bit lower. But ideally I want to be out of this trade by the end of today. Probably see some more bullish momentum tomorrow, so just looking for this slight pullback, 50 pips or so. But yeah, other than that guys, got pound New Zealand that came close. It's about 40 pips away. It's probably missed to be honest. Let's have a look. Entry is at 87. So yeah, come about 20 pips away now. We're moving off a little bit. I think I'll leave this on for a bit longer. So we've got the 61.8 from this low, because if I start from here, put a fib there, it's retraced more than the 61.8. Tell you what, let me just show you. So we start from this low here, go to the next high. We've broken the 61.8, so I've got to start at the next low, which is this one here, start at the next high. See we retraced to the 50%. Retraced to the 61.8 but didn't break past it. So keep extending it. Hasn't broke the 61.8, so I'm looking at the 61.8 here with this good key level, which has a round number just above 1.92, which looks like it's bouncing off the 1.92, so potentially missed trade. I'll leave this pending on. You can see we've got this nice wick over here, right on this 61.8, as you can see right there. So yeah, I'll leave this on. Just going to see what happens with Euro Yen guys. So I've got an alert for about 50-60 pips. I'll take TP1 then, and then hopefully let the rest run, put stop loss to break even. But yeah, other than that guys, nothing else to update. Got like 3 pendings on or so. Got this live trade. It's only 10 o'clock in the morning, so yeah, hopefully this can make some pips throughout the day, and I'll update soon. Alright guys, so I've just been triggered into this pound New Zealand dollar trade, as you can see here. So we've got the 61 fib with the key level, pretty good confluences really. And yeah, still got this Euro Yen trade on. It's only like an hour since I last recorded. Minus like 5 pips still at the moment, not really doing much. So yeah, I got the 2 trades on. I'm heading out for the day now, so just going to set alerts on my phone for TP1s. But yeah, other than that, I'll check back in soon. Alright guys, so it's 4 o'clock on Thursday. A little update on these 2 trades. So I've got 2 small positions now on both of these trades. I've closed out most of it. Stop loss to break even on both, so both trades are risk free now. This is a Euro Yen trade, so a nice push down here. Nice little push up on GN as well, but might potentially come back to break even, but obviously I'm risk free on both trades, so I don't really care what happens now. So let's have a look at the FTMO. So yeah, back into profit now guys, only like 0.2%, but yeah, good to be back into profit. Obviously we went down like 3.2%. I'll just go through my phone in a second, show you the trades. Alright guys, so this is the account, this is the trades of today. Nice little 1% gain, and got pretty much 0.5% running. So yeah, as for other pendings, got 3 pendings on. But yeah, I don't think anything's going to hit now. Obviously it's Friday tomorrow, so... But yeah, back into profit guys. I'm just going to leave these 2 running. So yeah, not a bad couple of trades there guys. Nice little profit on both. Also I'm risking like 0.5, 0.6% a trade. So obviously the gains are going to be smaller. But I'm just going to slowly creep up to that 5k now. Just taking the best setups. But yeah, I'm just going to leave these 2 positions on. And I'll check back in tomorrow, Friday, if I do get a trade. But if not, I'll leave it for the weekend and update on Sunday. Yo, what's up guys? It's Monday, 1 PM. Ended up closing this Euro Yen trade on Friday for about 60 pips or so. It's dropped off another 50 pips, so I missed out 50 pips here. So let's have a quick look at the FTMO. So yeah, 400 profit so far guys. So as for any new pendings, we've got a couple pendings that are like 50 pips away or so. But yeah, nothing for today I don't think, unless we get some good volatility later on. Let me just show you my phone a sec. So yeah, this is the account here. Nice 2.7% last week. There's 60 pips on Euro Yen now that I took on Friday. Sitting at 417 profit so far. Got all my pendings set, so what I'll do is I'll update when we get a trade. And yeah, speak to you then. Alright guys, so Wednesday afternoon, ended up taking a trade just before I went gym, which is about 2 hours ago. So running about 20 pips drawdown so far, 50 pip stop loss on this. So once again, this wasn't a pending order, I manually executed it, so a bit of a shitty entry really, but let's just run over it. So my entry was at 1.8305, so just above that round number. Just zoom in a sec. You can see we've got 2 fibs here, the 61.8 and the 50%. So from this low to this high, and also from this low to this high as well, double fib. And also we got double EMA as well, the 200 SMA and the 200 EMA. So yeah, good confluences really. Double EMA, double fib, and the round number just above. So I got in just above the round number, and let's just drop down again to the 4H. So it did end up doing like 30 pips, but obviously TP1 being 50 pips. But if I set a pending right on this box, then I would have probably managed to get 50 pips. Well, yeah, I would have. But a little lesson there for myself. So entry was at 1.8305. You can see we went 30 pips or so there, but now we're back into drawdown unfortunately. So stop loss is 58, so just below here. So yeah, I'm just going to see what happens guys. This is the only trade that I've got on. Obviously it's Wednesday, so been a slow week. The only trade that I've taken all week to be honest. But yeah, I've still got all my pendings on, so hopefully we can get one of those triggered this week. But yeah, I'll keep you updated on this GA trade, and if we get any other trades I'll update. Morning guys, so ended up getting stopped out on GA, just about by the pip really, and then it went off to do like 40 pips I believe, but still wouldn't have been TP1 anyway because TP1 was 50 pips. But you can see the last 2 days or so we're just moving sideways, and that's pretty much the same with all pairs really. This week's been so slow. So by the way, it's Friday, 10 o'clock in the morning. So I'm done for the week guys, to be honest. I've had one trade this week, really slow week. Had about 9-10 pendings set all week. But yeah, I had a couple that come pretty close. I had EuroCAD that come close here, which is this wick here. Come about 20 pips away I believe. But yeah, this is missed now. So yeah guys, super slow week again. Let me show you this. So sitting at minus 300. So what I'm going to do guys, if we have another slow week next week, I'm going to leave the video and include the week after as well. So it's 2 weeks worth of trading. because doing little videos like this where there's like not much happening is pretty boring, like, you know. But literally, guys, this is trading. Trading is boring. Some weeks you get 5 trades, some you get like 1 or even none. So yeah, that's why I say like the challenge is pretty much based off luck a little bit. Like if I was doing the challenge now with these slow periods, I'd have trouble passing that 10k. I'm even having trouble getting to this 5k because the trades just aren't there really. So, but yeah, this is the times when the market really tests you. You just got to stay cool and just sit on your hands and wait really. So that's what I've been doing. But yeah, going back to this GA trade, I'm happy I took this trade, to be honest, like 4 confidences or so. But yeah, we hit stops on that. So guys, let's see what happens over the next few weeks. Obviously it's 29th of October, got until the 3rd of December. But if we have another slow week or two, then obviously we're going to be creeping in on that 3rd of December. So I might have to up my risk a little bit, up to like 1.5%. But yeah, I appreciate watching, guys. Sorry if it's slow again, but like I say, trading's boring, sometimes trading's slow, and I'm here to show everything. So yeah, appreciate you watching and look out for part 4.